If you have a house in Westlake, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Westlake, Ohio. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Westlake prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than working with the traditional buyer who's using a mortgage or lender or real estate agent and all of that. So first things first, when you sell to us, we're going to keep it very easy for you because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. What that means is you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So you don't have to go to the Home Depot. There's no coming out of pocket. You don't got to pull out the Windex and the paper towels, run a broom across the ground. You don't have to do anything whatsoever to this house in order for us to buy it. There's no house that needs too much repair or too little repair. We will buy the house in its as-is condition, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, you could just take. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you could leave behind, and we will take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is there's no third-party approval. We are a true cash buyer. So there is no bank lender, mortgage lender involved whatsoever. We're going to buy the house for cash so we can close on the date that you choose, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. When you're working with a traditional buyer, first off, if they have a real estate agent representing them, that real estate agent is going to expect some commission out of this deal. That very likely could come right out of your bottom line, and that's money just down the toilet. Okay, you don't need to pay a third party to facilitate this transaction. You absolutely could just sell to a direct buyer and keep all of the money. In fact, when you sell to us, there are no fees whatsoever. You don't even got to pay for a postage stamp. If the title company or the people handling the paperwork need you to mail something in, we'll pay for that too. There are no fees whatsoever. There's no middleman and there's no commissions. With a traditional buyer also, typically they're working with some kind of mortgage bank lender, and this lender is going to send through this formal inspection is going to take place, and they're going to test every single outlet in the house. They're going to test every single light switch and ceiling fan and open and close all the doors, and they're compiling pages and pages and pages of notes, and this is all stuff that's wrong with the house, of course, and they're just going to use it against you. They're going to want extensions, they're going to want discounts, they're going to make you jump through hoops, and all of this is unnecessary. And then if you survive this thorough inspection, it gets worse because now they're going to send their appraiser through. The appraiser works for the bank. You know the bank has their own best interests in mind, not yours. And this bank is looking for any reason to pull the rug out from under this thing, cancel on you, and just leave you high and dry. And then guess what? Now you're right back to where you started, but you wasted all this time. But you didn't just waste time, you wasted money. Because in real estate, time is money. And every day that goes by that you don't close and you own this house, well, you're paying for insurance, you're paying for property taxes, you're paying for utilities, and there's opportunity cost because you should have had your hands on this money and on this proceeds a long time ago, and it's wasting your time and wasting your money. So if you have a house in Westlake, Ohio, and you want a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we're very familiar with the Cleveland area, with Westlake, and I'm actually born and raised in Cleveland. We were just founded as a company in the Columbus area, and that website's just too good to get rid of. But when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation for your Westlake house. We just need to know when you want to close. You pick the closing date, not like the traditional buyer where their lender picks the closing date if they ever close. But you got to tell us just when you want to close. That's perfectly fine. If you want to close fast, we'll make it happen for you. If you need something more flexible, you want to set a future date, we can accommodate your needs that way as well. And then we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, fantastic. We'll move forward and get this thing done. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We will shake hands, part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure or fake urgency or gimmicks or sales tactics or anything like that. And that's what you're going to get with these call centers. You know, the ones that are sending you text messages and cold calling you and stuff like that. They're trying to talk to you about your house in Westlake, and they've never been to Westlake. In fact, the call center is located, it might even be in another country. This is a disaster. Work with locals who are going to treat you fair and treat you like a neighbor, and that's exactly what we're going to do for the purchase and the sale of your house in Westlake. Give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.